maybe that works. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, so much happening in my world. So much happening. So my message today is really take care of yourself. Oh my gosh, be true to yourself, take care of yourself, pay attention to the small things, because when they build and build and build, there's a capacity, whether your capacity is here or whether your capacity is here, eventually if you hit that capacity, just crazy health, mental status, stress, whatever it is, there is always too much of anything is not a good thing. Just be careful. Be careful. I mean, too much of anything is not a good thing. You know, whatever. Okay, so today we're talking about Fossil. I think this is like a month of Fossil because I was so excited. They had an amazing Black Friday sale and I couldn't resist. I absolutely couldn't resist. So I bought a couple of bags. This one was only $40, so I was so excited. It's way under my price point. I don't like to spend more than $100 usually. Sometimes I'll go for $200, but no, I'm sorry. I'm not a luxury spender. I like luxury brands and I like luxury things. I like nice things. I like high quality things, but I don't like spending a lot of money. So I like brands that produce top quality items that aren't going to ask for my entire life savings plus my third child and right finger. No. I expect high quality, no matter if it's on sale, it's on discount or whatever. I want the best. But I don't want to pay an exorbitant amount of money for anything. I just don't. So that's where the deals, the bargain shopping, the stocking, and just the brain power comes in to be able to track and monitor this bag. It is a $250 bag. It retails on their website if you want to go buy it. If you want to wait for a sale, they always have amazing deals. So I go back to this brand a lot because I love the quality, I love the style, and they have amazing deals. I didn't pay $250 for this bag, but it retails at $250. So let's open it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting this bag for a while. I just, again, been waiting for a really good opportunity to buy it. Woo, check it out. I know, it looks just like all the others. I know it's black. I know. Wow, this one's super covered in mess. So, bear with me while I pull all this off. I'm keeping it, obviously. But two, I love this because to me this says it was not used. It was not on display in some store. It was not used. It was sealed and waiting for my fingers. So this is the Sam Shopper by the brand Fossil. It doesn't say it's eco-friendly leather, so I'm not really sure the difference. It does feel a little more sturdy or thick compared to the Fossil Sydney tote. I'll link that video in the comment or the description down below. I bought this one because it's smaller. I do go out and my mom worries all the time, oh my gosh, you're gonna break your back if you want this huge massive tote and you pack, overpack, you're right. I don't really go anywhere with those that I'm gonna be walking around with a lot of stuff. It's usually when I need a stuff to sit down and do work. But there are times when I don't want to carry those massive bags and I actually want something simple and small to go shopping with. But my kids, I've learned, I took 4 children. Oh my gosh, for a couple of days over the 4-day weekend, I took 4 children. And I realized anyone who uses these bags for multiple kids, wow, bless your heart. I tried to use one of my medium bags and it was so packed to the brim. Well, you know, I have 2 kids and sometimes they want snacks and they want water and they want other in between, and so I thought this would be a good one. I thought it would be a little bit bigger than it is, so it's kind of weird. So right here we have a front pocket. Looks really small. Let's see. It is really small. Oh, really small. That gives you an idea. It is small. I don't even know what you would put in there. It's so tiny. Maybe like your keys or a tiny wallet. Oh my gosh, but it is. I can barely fit my phone in there. So there's that. On the back, it has the same, nope, it has the same style, but they're not actually pockets. It just looks like they're pockets. Maybe this is the front. I don't know. I wouldn't use it as a front because it has a logo stamp right here. So here you see the standard Fossil logo right there. Check that out. So this is the Fossil Sydney tote, and it has the embossed logo, which I actually really like. This one I think is more of their boutique and not their outlet. This one has a leather Fossil stamp, which is very minimal, but I probably would keep this on the back. This one does not have feet. And I don't know, you don't really need to know what brand bag I have. As long as I like my bag, it doesn't really matter what other people think. Here I have a Fossil, this one doesn't say Fossil like the other one, so a little bit different. And then of course the crossbody strap. Whoa, do you love it? All right, let's check out the inside. This is the Sam shopper from the brand Fossil. See that beautiful key right there. If you're not familiar with this brand, it's pretty high quality for not exorbitant dollars. There you go, we got the Fossil logo. Sam shopper in black, $250. I did not pay $250, but there's that. The logo right there, it's different than some of the other bags I have. I think the difference is really outlet versus retail shop. I don't know if that means any different in the quality. I haven't really noticed, so it doesn't matter to me as long as it's high quality, it works. But these, I love hardware. I love the hardware, even though they don't come off. It's just something I could clip something to this. I love that idea. So these are very similar to some of the other bags I have that have the hardware, but you can't take off the straps. So, but they do lay flat. So that's pretty cool. That's one of the reasons I wanted the bag, is I don't have to switch it around. I can take off the crossbody strap if I want, but I don't have to, I can use it that way. It does come with a slider here on the crossbody, which I like because I am a weird length and I like my bags different than most standard holes. So I appreciate the slider. It is lined with a canvas, so I do like that aspect also. The inside of the bag, whoa, check it out. So it does come fully stuffed. The beautiful bag has a tassel strap. It's a little bit different. I think the smaller connector than the Fossil Sydney. This, I don't know if this is gonna bother me. I don't necessarily like when these hang out, so I would probably tuck it in. I probably would never zip this bag. Oh, and the leather feels so smooth. That hides that I do like, but as you can see, there's a pocket. This is actually a wider pocket. There's another pocket. There's two pockets on the one side, and then if you flip the bag around, there is a standard zipper pocket for Fossil. I don't like how small this zipper is, so check that out. I don't like how small that zipper is. I probably wouldn't use that very much for a quick grab, but the inside of the bag is very basic. It's lined with a non-leather, so it's more like a cotton nylon fabric, which I appreciate because then the inside isn't adding to the weight of the bag. There is a Fossil logo right there on the zipper pocket, but it's just a bucket bag. Very simple. So there you have it. It looks pretty. This would be like one of my simple bags. I don't know about the straps. We're gonna try it on to show you, but I do like that they add character and they fold down. I do like that aspect, so I hope this is one of my bags I really like. We'll have to do a packing video to see, but check it out. It's pretty flimsy, which I'm finding most of their bags are. Okay, noob central. Let me tell you, newbie, reborn, something, forgot everything I knew. I hope that beginning part was in focus because I just realized it was on manual, so there's that. But here is the Sam Shopper Fossil bag in the color black in the leather. I really like the design of it. I've been stocking this for a while. On the website, it looks so much bigger than in real life. So if you're thinking this is big, it's definitely not. I thought this was huge. I thought it would be like the tote size, but really long and buckety. It's the only downside about buying things online. I think they're really big. Like I thought the tote was huge, and then I get it, I'm like, wow, that's like miniature. But it's not bad. I probably don't need a larger bag. So we have the crossbody strap to wear it crossbody. So you can see on my body how it looks crossbody. I probably would never wear this crossbody. I'm not really a crossbody type of person when it comes with all of these accessories. Like, oh, I don't think I could do this. I don't know, maybe you're that person, but maybe if I'm in a hurry and have a lot of things in my hand, maybe that's an option. I don't know. And then, yeah, there is this, but it doesn't seem to transition the same. But to show you what it looks like on the side, hopefully you can see it with my black jacket. So how it looks on the body. Like I haven't been doing this for like a while. Ta-da! Do I like it? Do I like it? I think I do. Let's see. Crossbody. All right. What? Check it out.